Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Skipton Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top place address bar, you need to type down skipton.co.uk and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Skipton, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And from here, under the help and support, you can find there's an icon for contact us. Select that. Over here, you need to scroll a bit down. And from here, if you have any issue with your savings, mortgages, insurance, fraud and security, or any of the mentioned here, what you need to do is you need to simply click. And from here, scroll a bit down and you can find all of the contact details here. And you can simply dial this number here, which is generally available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or mortgage information ready for verification and never share your password. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.